खुशी खुशी मरना किसे कहते हैं और जिंदगी जीना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है। हम हमेशा अपने काम में बिजी रहते हैं पर जिंदगी जीना भूल जाते हैं। पता नहीं लोग इतने नेगेटिव क्यों हो गए हैं, हर चीज में नेगेटिविटी क्यों दिखती है लोगों को कि अच्छा चलो इसको इस पॉइंट पे पकड़ते हैं।
તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
When as a producer and actor, when you thought that you have to get into a venture something like this, what really made you confident about the script or this subject that you have selected, both as a producer and an actor?
When I got to know about the project, I was very, very interested because the script is such. When you'll see the film, you'll realize it's a very touchy subject. When you see your partner just going away in front of your eyes, and you know your partner is going, I don't want to reveal who the person is. You must have seen the trailer, and you know that person is going to go in a few days, but you make sure, or maybe in like 10 days or 15 days or 1 month, and you want to spend that entire 1 month with him or with her, and you want to live the life to the fullest, but you know that person is going. It is so hard even if you plan a trip, which is why I'm telling people that why to wait for that tragedy to happen. Why can't we do it? Why can't we do it now? Why don't we plan trips with our family? Why don't we go out? It's not about just a trip, it's about your wish list, what you want to do. You may want to go to Shirdi, your parents may want to go to Char Dham. It's not just about a Europe trip, it is about wish list. You may want to do something for your parents which you're not able to. You may want to give them a little time which you're not able to do because of your work. So it's really unfortunate. I think that should also be given a priority.
Since you are mentioning about how we keep working and forget to enjoy small moments of life as actors, and especially when you were doing television, you guys have a very hectic schedule. How do you manage, or did you ever could manage when you were really busy, like working 16 hours or 14 hours, whatever? So were you able to manage to take out some time for yourself? If yes, then how?
I did. People who know me, people who followed me, they know that very time also I used to get like 5 days in a month, and I used to like beg for 2 more days because planning a trip to Europe, spending so much money and coming back in 5 days. So I used to beg, I used to work non-stop for those 2 days, 2 extra days, and then I used to go on a trip for a 7-day long trip with my family. I have done it back then as well. I have made sure that I make time for family trips or I take my family out, because you never know. So I completely believe in it. So I did it that time as well, and I'm doing it now as well.
We all have more or less the common wish list that we share, of traveling, of doing certain stuff. But what so far you have done, or have really kind of made you feel very accomplished, that I really struggled to make that wish come true and I did it? What was that?
When I see the smile on my parents' face when I take them out on trips. Yeah. When I see the smile, the wide smile on my mother's face when she enjoys water. Like after a year, you must have seen it on my Instagram if you follow me, or if you don't, I will just describe it a bit. She jumped into the pool when we reached Maldives, and I asked her, I made a video and I asked her, how are you feeling? She said, I'm feeling so good. After a year, I'm doing it. Because the pools are shut, society pools are shut, everything is shut, and she's a water baby. So that happiness, oh my God, she was swimming in the sea, she was back floating, doing whatnot. That is priceless. That is priceless. And every time, wherever I take them, those eyes, those sparkling eyes of my parents, that's priceless.
Do you think that after making a mark, even though in films people are liking you, they're accepting you, you still feel that kind of, barricades or anything? And how are you coping up and breaking through that?
For me, things have changed. I won't deny. After the Cannes visit and after my film releases and everything. And of course, how I appear on my social media also makes a lot of difference. a lot of difference. Everything is digital nowadays. आज अगर किसी एक्टर की बात होती है, अगर 4 लोग बैठे हैं और वो कोई फिल्म बनाना चाहते हैं, कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाना चाहते हैं, चलिए उस एक्टर से बात करते हैं, तो सबसे पहले अगर आप जाते हैं तो उसके सोशल मीडिया पे जाते हैं उस एक्टर के बारे में जानने के लिए. तो आप सोशल मीडिया से ही सबसे पहले अपना इंप्रेशन बनाते हैं. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, दिस इज आई वुड लाइक टू पुट आउट, because this is for all the actors and I'm sure everybody knows this, and people who don't take it seriously, your first impression is your social media. This is how it is. You take it, you may not agree to it, but this is the reality. सबसे पहले आपके सोशल मीडिया, सबसे पहले उनके इंस्टाग्राम पे जाया जाता है कि इंस्टाग्राम, लेट्स सी who is this person, what has that person done. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और मैं इस पे बहुत बहुत ध्यान देती हूँ और मेरे लिए चीजें काफी बदल गई हैं. I do get a lot of offers from designers now that will he now wear our outfit or anything like that. ऐसे कुछ होता है. चीजें काफी बदल गई हैं मेरे लिए, बट स्ट्रगल है फिर भी. शायद मेरे लिए बदली हैं, मुझे इतना काम करना पड़ा, इतना प्रूफ करना पड़ा अपने आप को, तब बदली हैं. पर है, अभी भी चीजें हैं जो शायद मेरे साथ थोड़ी अब बेटर हुई हैं, बट अभी भी लोगों के साथ वो है कि उनको वो नहीं मिलता जो वो डिजर्व करते हैं बिकॉज दे कम फ्रॉम अ सर्टेन मीडियम. तो ऑफ कोर्स है. शायद विद टाइम थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग, मे बी विद टाइम थिंग्स विल बिकम बेटर. A lot of television actors are doing well on OTTs as well. So let's hope for the best.
And how has your approach towards trolls, changed? Because at one point of time, when you were in Big Boss, or maybe post that or whatever, people actually there are trolls for every star, for every actor. It's nothing new. But then, how do you look at it now? Has it reduced, or you think you have made a very safe place now that you are doing every bit and people are not?
See, I've had my fair share of trolling. ऐसा नहीं है. But I still sometimes get trolled for something or the other. But अब शायद इफेक्ट होना बंद हो गया है. पहले शायद मैं एक आधा को ब्लॉक भी करती थी, but now I even don't block people because I feel that no reaction is the best reaction. आप रिएक्शन देंगे, आप ब्लॉक भी करेंगे तो वो भी एक रिएक्शन है. मेरे लिए वो भी डिजर्व नहीं करते हैं to get blocked by me. So I completely ignore. I sometimes read, sometimes I don't even read. If I'm busy, I miss on a lot of tweets on my timeline. ट्रोल तो होते हो आप, हर छोटी से छोटी चीज. मैंने बोला ना, एज एक्टर्स, एज पब्लिक फिगर्स, पीपल एक्सपेक्ट सो मच फ्रॉम अस. और अगर कहीं भी आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, इंस्टाग्राम पे कभी मैं स्टोरी डालती हूँ और अगर जल्दी जल्दी में मैंने कुछ टाइप किया और उसकी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो गई ना, आप टाइपिंग एरर होता है, उस स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक के लिए भी आप ट्रोल होते हो कि ओ माय गॉड, इसको तो स्पेलिंग नहीं आती इस चीज की. यार, मुझसे भी टाइपिंग एरर हो सकता है. What is the big deal in it? Why? मतलब मैं अगर कोई अच्छा मैसेज भी देना चाहूँ स्टोरी में, people will not think about it. अच्छा मैसेज, people will, पता नहीं लोग इतने नेगेटिव क्यों हो गए हैं. हर चीज में नेगेटिविटी क्यों दिखती है लोगों को कि अच्छा चलो इसको इस पॉइंट पे पकड़ते हैं. तो अब वो समझ में आ गया है, और अब हम एज एक्टर्स, हमने अपने आप को समझा दिया है कि दे आर जस्ट गोइंग टू पिन पॉइंट द नेगेटिविटी इन दैट. दे विल नॉट सी द पॉजिटिव मैसेज इन इट. So then you're like, forget it यार, इन लोगों से बहस करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो मुझे अब trust me, it doesn't affect me at all.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે. બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.